we have this bedding area that transfers into. We have a 1 acre food plot that we're gonna have. I haven't decided. There's some trees there that I might want to hinge cut to have be doe bedding. Don't know yet. But there's also about another 75 yards to the north of that, another bedding area. And then we'll have another 1/4 acre food plot on the very north side of this. But right now I'm happy with what I got done. I'm kind of tired, and I think what I'm gonna do, I'll just wait a week, come back, do the south side a little bit, and then just keep working along. And I'm gonna bring you guys with me so you guys can be along for the journey and see if this fall, if it pays off. As you can tell, there's a trail that comes up through here. I left this trail open, but I got stuff knocked down, knocked down, knocked down, and then rub tree, scrape tree back there. There's a path that goes right to it. All right, so it's day 2 of being here in this bedding area, number 1. Did some more cutting on the north side there behind me. That stuff is thick as hell, but I got a bunch knocked down. I think for this year so far, I think that's all I'm gonna do for this bedding area. I got it pretty well secluded. You can't see very far through it. And when the spring comes and the green starts growing, there's a lot more sun. So I think this is where I want it. We still got the scrape tree, still got the rub, we got trails going in and out. I am gonna put a tree stand up over there, I think, for a northwest wind. So we'll see how it works. Next will be either the bedding area that's to the north of the food plot that we're gonna make, or it's gonna be working on clearing out some of that food plot. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you're learning something, because I'm learning something. It's a lot of work, but hopefully the hard work will pay off and we'll all get to see in the fall.